Ever wondered how much money you can really make driving for Uber? Can it be a full-time income, or is it just a decent side hustle? Today, we're breaking down real earnings, expenses, and the best strategies to maximize your profits. Stick around, you might be surprised by the numbers. Hey there, and welcome to Skill Hub, the channel dedicated to helping you earn more, work smarter, and maximize your potential. If you're looking for real-world income opportunities, side hustles, and financial freedom tips, subscribe now so you never miss an update. Many think driving for Uber is as simple as picking up riders and getting paid. But did you know that where, when, and how you drive can impact your earnings by 50% or more? Some drivers make $500 a week, while others in the same city make over $2,000 a week just by using the right strategy. Your earnings depend on three key factors. First, the base fare, which is the amount paid per ride, including pickup and drop-off. Second, time and distance, meaning longer rides bring in more money. Third, surge pricing and bonuses, where driving during peak hours and completing promotions can significantly boost earnings. How much can you really make per hour? In major cities like New York, Los Angeles, or London, drivers typically earn between $25 and $40 per hour. In mid-sized cities like Houston, Chicago, or Toronto, the range is around $18 to $30 per hour. In smaller towns and rural areas, it can be between $10 and $20 per hour. While these earnings sound promising, it's important to consider expenses. Uber takes a commission of 15 to 25% per ride. Gas costs vary based on location and fuel efficiency. Regular vehicle maintenance, including oil changes and tire replacements, is necessary. Rideshare insurance is also a must to stay covered. After factoring in expenses, what's the real profit? If you're driving part-time, working 10 to 15 hours per week, you can expect to make between $250 and $600 weekly. A full-time driver working over 40 hours a week can earn between $1,000 and $2,500 per week. For those who focus on high-demand areas and drive during surge hours, monthly earnings can reach between $2,500 and $4,000. If you want to earn more while driving, here are three powerful strategies used by top Uber drivers. First, drive during peak hours. Weekends, rush hours, and special events lead to higher fares and surge pricing. Second, optimize your location by positioning yourself near airports, business districts, and entertainment hubs where demand is highest. Third, take advantage of Uber's bonus programs. Completing ride streaks and meeting weekly goals can add hundreds of dollars to your earnings. So what do you think? Is driving for Uber worth it? Should you try it as a side hustle? Let us know in the comments below. Yeah. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Skill Hub, and check out our next video on the best side hustles to earn extra income in 2025.